Okay, in this video, let's have the equation of the planes. So let's have the definition first. Given a point P and a vector n, the set of all points Q satisfying this equation forms a plane. Now recall, class, that whenever you multiply two vectors, dot product, that means this is an orthogonal vectors. Now, this n is your vector. P, your point nga gihatag sa inyo ha. Ang kaning Q, class, bisag asa ni nga basis niya. In other words, your Q here is not unique. The scalar equation of the plane, we also call that the standard equation of the plane, contains the point P and the normal vector ABC. So, di ba n to? N times PQ. Ang PQ, to get the value sa imong vector ana is subtract ra nimo ang imuhang x duha ka buok. Ang kaning n, ang sulod ni n is ABC, so that's why we have ABC here. Okay? So this is how we get the equation of the plane. Okay. Ang kaning Q again, class, ang iyang points ana is x, y, z. This Q, kani si x, y, z, any number na diha as long as mo satisfy siya. In other words, dili unique ang inyong Q. Now suppose we will have the equation find the equation of the plane. We are given 3 points here. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do is pair each point. So we have PQ and QR. Pwede po QP o RP. Pwede po na siya. Okay? As naara man siya, kani si PQR, naara man siya sa sulod sa inyong planes. So after subtracting, after pairing sa ilaha, you will get 2 points. And then we get the cross product para makuha nato si normal vectors. So again, to get the normal vector, we multiply two vectors. Cross product. Okay? And after using the cross product nga method nato, you will get 8i minus 4j plus 4k. And then we have naatay and ano naman to, no? Okay. So our n here is 8, negative 4 plus 4, positive 4. So 8, negative 4, positive 4. Dayon, you have pick any points dire. So as I have mentioned before sa previous video, kung aha tong first letter, use that as your initial point. So we'll use P. We have negative 1, negative 1, 2. And we have x, y, z. Again, kaninyo x, y, z is your Q. Your Q which is not unique. Okay? So the equation of the plane is 8x minus 4y plus 4z plus 4. Next, another example. What if we'll try to find the equation of the plane that passes through a point and inyuhang symmetry. Symmetric equations. So first, kuhaon sa ninyo dire ang inyuhang vectors. Denominators man to, no? We have 1, 2, 1. So na natin vector and we have a point. Now, next, we have another point. Katong tapad dire, we have 0 sa x, positive 1, and negative 1. So, na natay duha ka point, 1, 4, 3, and 0, 1, negative 1. And we have the vector 1, 2, 1. Okay. Since naan natay duha ka point, we can get another vector from here by subtracting 1 minus 0, 4 minus 1, and 3 minus negative 1. So we have two vectors now. We'll now multiply the vector 1 and the vector 2 nga itong nakuha to get the normal vector. Again, we will use the cross product. We'll have 5i minus 3j plus k. After ana, what do we do next? We will use the normal vector times sa kaninyong points, diha, and this will be equal to 0. So, normal vector ninyo, we have 5, tapos inyong x, mamanino sa inyong t, tapos y minus 1 and z plus 1. Simplifying this, you will get 5x minus 3y plus z plus 4 equals 0. Next, what if we will try to find the distance between a plane and a point? So, ang kaganina kay line raman to, no? W na tayo point. This time, naa na tayo plane and we'll try to find the distance gikan sa ato ang point. So, the formula here is we can use the projection or we can use the component. But kana siya is just equal to the absolute value of your vector QP and your normal vector N over sa inyong distance of your normal vectors. That is equal to, naani man to, no? C absolute Cn. Okay. Now, suppose we'll find the distance between the point 312 and the plane x minus 2y plus z equals 5. So, we'll try to find the distance. So, let's get, nanam tayo P, no? Mangita tag Q ug atong normal vectors. So the coefficients of the plane, balik tagamay. We have 312 ug x minus 2y plus z plus 5 equals 5. So, naa tay gihatag nga 312 na point. So, we have 312. And then, now, take note class, as I have mentioned ganina, any point will work as long as maka-zero siya, diba, sa inyong Q. Okay. So, we have, ang gikuha niya dire is 500. And tuod class, ang inyong coefficients dire is also your normal vectors. 1, negative 2, 1. That is your normal vectors. Okay? So, we have 500 again. This is random. Any point will work. Okay? So, we have 500. And then, we get another vector from there. We have negative 2, 1, 2. So, we have negative 2, 1, 2 for our QP. Normal vector nato is 1, negative 2, 1. We get the dot product. We multiply simply, diba? Negative 2 times 1, 1 times negative 2, 2 times 1. Then we get the absolute value. This is, the answer here is negative 2 over square root of 6. That is 2 over square root of 6. Then we rationalize. We multiply the numerator and denominator by square root of 6. So you will get 2 square root of 6 over 6. Cancel out. You will have square root of 6 over 3. So this is the distance between the point and the plane. Okay? Next. What if we'll try to find the angle? Now, Okay. So example is, we'll try to determine if the pair of planes are parallel, orthogonal, or neither. So, first, how will we know if parallel? As I have mentioned ganina, dapat ang imuhang components sa imong x, y, z, or xy, they should be equal, or if dili equal, pwede nato ma-simplify ang equations nga ma-equal sila. For example, dire, we have 1, 2, negative 1. Ang isa is 2, 4, negative 2. Pwede man ako na ma-simplify dire. Divide na ko both by negative, by positive 2. If I will do that, I will have 1, 2, negative 1, which is the same sa kani. So, in other words, these two are parallel. Next, how will we know if orthogonal sila or dili? We get the product. Direct naman to, no? 2 times 6, negative 3 times 2, 2 times negative 3. Okay? So, that product rata dire will have this. So, we have 12. Minus 6 is 6. Minus 6 is 0. In other words, these two are orthogonal. Okay. For letter C, we have the normal vectors for the planes N1 is 1, 1, 1. Kanira man no, ang normal vectors, kuhaan na rin yung diretso ang coefficients. And 1, negative 3, 5. To find the angle, we have get the scalar product and the absolute value. And then, i-multiply ra ninyo ang ilahang distance ni N1 and ni N2. That's why we have that. After getting that, we can have cosine inverse of 3 over square root of 105. You will get 1.27 radians. Naka-radians niya, wala naka-degree. So, if we will convert that to degrees, you will have 73 degrees. Okay, so I think that would be all for this video.